Everyone, this is Selena Kraus for Trinity Stamps, and today we're taking a closer look at the foiled pine cut and foil die set that's part of the Sparkle Season release Holiday 2022 that goes live on October 5th. So let's take a closer look. This is a set of two dies. We have actually a foiling plate and a die. The foiling plate is about 4.5 by 3.4 inches, and also there is coordinating die. So here for reference, I folded the pine onto a 2 piece of white cardstock, and that's foiled with Aura foil, and I have another sample here that's foiled with matte gold foil. So now let's take a look how it looks when we have that pine die cut. So again, I'm putting it here on a A2 piece of cardstock so you can see the for reference. Here is a card that I made the other day. Here I had folded the pine in matte white onto ink blended background. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like this video and visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!